I have preheated 3 tablespoons sesame oil, and as you can see the steam coming up, and also you can see it's bubbling away. I'm going to add the onion. Just keep stirring. Sorry, I have to put the exhaust fan on, otherwise it would be so smoky. Generally speaking, when I fry the onion, I just want to make sure that they're all separated or well separated, and it's enough heat in the frying pan. And I'm going to add it on the sliced chicken breast, which I've done it beforehand, make it quicker. As you can see, it's only one medium size of chicken breast, and I'm going to also at the same time I'm going to put the kettle on to have the hot water ready. As you can hear, probably the jug is boiling away. I just keep stirring the chicken and the onion so it won't get burned. This is my simple cooking for dinner. I haven't been able to do it because I've been busy and due to lockdown as well, and it's a bit hard. Now while it's that all mixing up together, both sides of the chicken pieces, you just turn them around, make sure both sides are well fried. Oop, the jug just turned off itself. It means my Now I'm going to add the garlic to the last one because I do not want the garlic to get burned. Then I will add 1.5 teaspoon of chicken powder. Also, you don't need any more salt for that, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Just keep stirring. As you can see, the liquid start evaporating. Just keep stirring. You don't want it burned. And I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit. Now it's only 3/4 on the stove. You can see it, how high it is, the fire. It's about that high, that much. I'm sorry guys, I'm not a professional YouTuber. Don't have all of the equipment, so I'm using whatever I can do. As you can see, I'm getting the spinach ready. And I'm just putting the spinach in there. I have washed this spinach. It's about a bunch. Excuse me. Wow, the smell nice. It just went into my nose. Don't worry, it's not a COVID. It's just the smell of the pepper. As you can see, I'm just getting all of the spinach in. I have washed this spinach thoroughly so you won't get any sands in your cooking, otherwise it will be a bit crunchy. So a bunch of spinach is about 79 cents in Perth, Western Australia. I think it's about a couple hundred, 400 grams probably, more or less. Sorry, I don't weigh everything, but some other people professionally weigh. Has to be exactly. I'm just a typical person who likes cooking by whatever I can get on my hand. As you can see, I use up all of the spinach or pre-washed spinach. Oh, excuse me. Now in here I will pour a little bit of hot water from the jug. I think it's about a cup of. Excuse me. From there on, now I turn up the fire. Oh, I'm sorry guys, a bit sniffly here because of the pepper. As you can see, it's quite quick now. Everything is ready. You see, I don't put soy sauce or anything like that, even though I do not use the soy sauce. As you can see, the sauce is already colored, sort of like a creamy brownie color. When everything is wilted, well cooked, I meant, put the hard-boiled quail eggs. Well, that's it. From go to woe is about 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, everyone, hope you enjoyed. Bon appetit. You take care and stay safe. Bye bye.